Hi guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog for indorecipe.com, and for today's recipe it is spinach soup, Indonesian spinach soup, and it is called sayur bening in Indonesian. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So I saw a bag of organic carrots. They're beautiful, they're rainbow, so I grabbed them and I'm gonna make. It's a bit expensive because it's organic, but a bag is like almost $10. But I truly want rainbow carrots for today. Anyways, just peel them and then slice them and rinse them, and then we're gonna boil them. We're gonna wait for the water to boil first before we drop in our sliced carrots. Once water boiling, just drop in your rinsed carrot, boil until tender. Now slice a bunch of spinach as well and rinse them nicely because sometimes they're soiled. One box of firm tofu. You can keep them larger or smaller, it's up to you. And then open a can of sweet corn kernel. Once carrots are tender, add in cubed tofu and drain corn and bring back to boil. And slice about 4 garlic, and this is super teeny tiny onion, so about 1 tablespoon. If you have shallots, that would be better. 1 shallot will be sufficient, but this is regular sweet onion, so this is about 1 tablespoon. Once fully boiled, add in your rinsed spinach. And this until just soften, like spinach is easily softened. So once it's boiled again, it will be softened. Now add in your onion and garlic and season it with sugar, salt, and a little of MSG for umami. You can serve it as is, the way my husband likes it, as is, or in Indonesia we would serve it with our rice.